The DJI Mini 2 SE has crashed. I flew against a pole and that he don't like. So the camera is broken off his mount. This motor is stuck a little bit. This motor is stuck real good. Oh, here also broke off the propeller a bit. Motor is still okay. Oh, this motor is all seized. Also, you take a hit here. So, the drone is a goner. Well, I'm gonna scale up. Scale up for the Mini 3 Pro or something. And I can use the same batteries and the same controller. It's all compatible. So, Elizabeth II, I'm sorry. You just died. Rest in peace, my friend.